Now, if you're looking for the ultimate solution to going under your wheel arches of your vehicle, this is the one. Yes, this is the particular product you need. It's a WA4039. And to be perfectly honest, this has been out of stock for ages and ages. I've been trying to get this for nearly 3 years. Look, that goes on the end of your Hydroshot, and then you can put all your attachments in like that. See? Look. Got extension poles. Look, you can go around corners. Look. You can do gutterings and your wheel arches, you name it. Even if you want to do your bottom, you can go like that, can't you? This is how to fit it to your Hydroshot. All you need to do is pull this back, pop that in, and like that, okay? So you'll be able to go under your wheel arches like that. Now, in my previous video, I've tried to get this before I could make the video, but unfortunately, I've had to go without. Goes round and round. Ah, isn't that cool? If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Laters!